Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step rotor dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, USB connection, power door locks, power windows, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, alarm, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.